Hey there folks, welcome to another video of how to socials. In this real quick video, I will show you how to create custom message on Facebook Marketplace. So let's get started without any wasting time. Alright, first of all, you just need to go to your Facebook app. On the top right, you will see an option called Marketplace. Here is the Marketplace icon. Just tap on the Marketplace icon. And after that you just need to tap on this icon, this human or profile icon. Okay, tap on that. All right, after that you just need to scroll it down until you see settings option. Tap on the settings and you will get set a custom message. Just tap on that, and now write anything that you want to send your sellers. So after you have typed your custom message, just you need to tap on the save icon. Just you need to tap on the save and it will save. So whenever you want to send any message to any of the sellers, like I want to buy this thing, so I will send a custom message, and here you go. This is the custom message I want to send. If I tap on the send button, the custom message will send to the seller. So this is how you can create custom message for your marketplace. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.